Now, in this act, the next topic is about the definition. We are going to see the definition, what the industry's meaning is, then the what employer or the workman meaning is, because according to the different act, the meaning changes. So now we are going to see the Act Industrial Disputes Act 1947. In that, we are going to see the definition part. First is the industry. So its definition is in the section 2J. Industry means any business, trade, undertaking, manufacture, or calling of employers and includes any calling, service, employment, handicraft, or industrial occupation or avocation of workmen. Means any systematic activity carried on by corporation between an employer and his workmen for the production, supply, or distribution of goods or service. So it includes any activity of the Dock Labour Board established under Section 5A of the Dock Workers Act 1948, any activity relating to the promotion of the sales or business or both carried on by an establishment. So when the industry's meaning is asked, then we have to write this, that it's a business or a trade or an activity which is carried by the corporation between an employer or his workmen for the production, supply, or distribution of the goods or service. When the question is asked what it includes, then we have to write this. And when the question is asked that what the industry's definition does not include, then we have to write this answer. What it does not include, it's the agricultural operation does not include any activity carried on in a plantation of defined in a clause F of a section 2 of the Plantation Labor Act 1951 or hospitals or dispensaries or educational, scientific, research or training institution or institutions which are wholly owned or managed by any charitable, social or philanthropic service, then khadi or a village industries or any activity of the government relatable to the sovereign function of the government, including all the activities carried on by the central government dealing with the research, defense, atomic energy and space, or any domestic service. I stop her.